Good morning, everybody. We got a few unicorns to watch. Bone just jumped at the moment, 70%. It could be really good right now to watch out for. We have the resistance around the 0.1170. It could be good for a breakout at the market open. We'll watch for this one. You have the 13 and the 17. Yeah, this one could be good with STSS. Yeah. Yeah, night trader. We have two of them now. The first one is Bon. The second one, we waiting for a breakout here around this level. The 30 cents. Yeah, still the 30 cent. It is the current resistance for this one. So this is the resistance. We got some profit taken around two levels, the 33 and the 37. And this is the trend that we should break at the market open. Otherwise, we're going to continue toward the 0.20. So we have two of them, this and that. Good morning, everybody. So for today, Bon, it is the strongest for today. MSBR could be a maybe later if the trend change and if we broke the 357. GameStop doing all right as well, jumping almost 2%. We have a trend here for GameStop, guys. We have to break at the market open toward the 2686. But as you can see here from the trend, it is recovering from this dip back in beginning of April from the 20. The SPY is still looking all right. We have a little bounce yesterday before the market close. We'll see if we're gonna hold this bounce. Yesterday we have a bit of red day. This is could change today. SMCI, a bit of we have a bit of green. Palantir, we have a bit of green as well. Today it is the day, guys, to confirm the market recovery. Let's go. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in, everybody. Good morning, Jack Wolf, CDT. Yes, I will check CDT in a bit. But everybody, bon is looking bon. Bon in French is mean good, guys. So bon looking good. C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. This one looking great, juicy. We got a bit of juice dropping from this one. Okay, so bon is still looking all right for today, guys. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. We're still waiting for a bon to have drastic change in price action on the market open. So Lucy and CDT, let's check those two if they are good. Lucy, I think we already traded last year. Yeah, it's dropping 40% from the 44. I think it's heavily diluted. Yeah, we already did reverse split. I don't like it, man. Let's go to CDT. Wait a second. Yeah, yesterday Lucy did 100%. Now it's dropping. No, thank you. It's dropping a lot, man. So CDT will look way better. Yesterday we did 72%, and now it's 14%. It's going up nicely around the 146. Yeah, this one could be good, guys. CDT could be really good for today. We got the technical level around the $1 to hold. Bone looking great. And maybe STSS. Those the top stocks to watch for today. Yeah, CDT looking great as well, guys. Thank you for bringing this to us, to our attention. Shout out to my brother Mohammed. Great big, yeah, for CDT looking great. But yeah, Bone looking the best for now. How everybody doing? Let me know, guys, what you think about the market today. Are we gonna have some action for today or not? Let's get right to it. So BON, guys, it is number one for now. Let me just check what kind of news for this stock. We got Bone Natural. This one, it is on the material sector. 2 hours ago, Bone announced Apple polyvinyl commercial order signed. Holy moly, this is crazy big news, guys, for Bone. We got a huge news. Exactly, huge news right now. April 11. So they announced a groundbreaking 24-month supply agreement worth 12 million with Shanghai, China premier functional ingredients. The partnership leveraged on patent extraction technology to deliver science-backed formulations, combining antioxidant rich apple proven to support weight management and metabolic health. Okay, this is big. That's why we got nice jump for bone. Let's check the other one, CDT. So we need to confirm if the news is wrong to support the pump. This one, 11 days ago, we already have a patent approval for CDT. That's why it jumped 72%. And now we got another news announcement to patent filing for VETMA. Anyway, so we got two stocks doing pretty good, CDT and Bone. Both of them have a huge news right now. Mohammed, how you doing? Yeah, some people say Mohammed is manipulated because this is the by far the first time in history that we see a president in any country say buy right now. This is crazy. Let me just go on my Twitter or X and go to Trump. Let's see. When did he tweet it? April 5th. I think he took the tweet out because some of you said that he tweeted buy right now, but I couldn't find it here. This is strange.
Anticipate savings in FY 26 from reduction of waste and fraud by $150 billion. And I mean, some of it is just absurd. Like people getting unemployment insurance who haven't been born yet. I think anyone can appreciate whether. I mean, come on, this is crazy.
150 billion. So they said they reduct the waste and fraud by 150 billion. They don't say exactly from whom, but yeah, we got some people say that the market is manipulated right now, guys, because after the tweet that we got yesterday, the market rebounded. Aha, so he put it on the Truth Social, not X. Interesting. So he didn't put it on Let's see. Where did he? But I don't have an account here. Let us create an account. Verification. Okay, not for now. Anyway, so guys, today we've got a few stocks to watch, and many of you are saying the market is crazy right now. TCRT, MLGO, still slow. MLGO is getting near the bottom around the $15. TCRT is pushing back up 14%, but is still below a critical zone here around the $3.40. But the main ones are CDT and BOOM. I'm watching Palantir, guys, SMCI, the SPY as well. The market is on decision. We have a huge jump here with huge pump down, and now we are sideways. So day of green, and then day of red, and now consolidating sideways. You see, on decision right now. Let us go back. I think you asked about Bank of America, I think. Yeah, it have earnings. Earnings, I believe, earnings Tuesday, next Tuesday. Yeah, it's putting back down a lot. Let's see here. Yeah, Bank of America, it could be really good for a dip, for my opinion, because it broke the trend here in the big picture. Yeah, it could be good for a dip. If the market continue to go down, we could have a nice dip for Bank of America. But yeah, still holding the gains. It's not pulling like 10%. Yesterday it pulled back just 2%. So yeah, the main ones are STSS, CDT, and bonus. We got STSS trying to break the resistance here. I'm gonna adjust or add support just in case at the market open. If we held, would be great over the 25. Yeah, STSS looking interesting, guys, for the open. PPI inflation down. We'll confirm that with today because now we don't have any confirmation for that. Yeah, we are sideways still. And I think we got some resistance here for the SPY to break today around the 530. Yeah, today we got a critical zone, guys, for the market to hit. Critical zone to reverse from and break. Yeah, for now we got a technical zone around the 531. Yeah, we got a little pullback before the market open. CDT doing all right. STSS, guys, this one, it is roller coaster. What a roller coaster ride for this one from, I think, since Thursday. Yes, Thursday, it did a really nice move. And before the market open, we push back down. Today we push back up. So this one is a roller coaster ride. If you enjoying riding roller coasters, STSS is the one for you. Webull IPO. We don't have Webull yet. We don't have Webull or Bull. Still, we don't have data yet. IPO when, lazy? When the IPO will be? Let me just check when exactly new IPOs. So April 10th, latest IPO. Yeah, we still is not here. Webull is not here. Last IPO, we got them here. The best IPO was ATHR, 34% now from yesterday. The other one is NMAX, 154% up. IPO price $10 and now it's $25. Yeah, this one is good. NMAX, successful IPO. But now it's pulling back. Yeah, it pulled back a lot. It went until the 300. Holy crap. Are you kidding me, man? 300, now 25. Dangerous play, man. ATHR. Let me just check this new IPO. Yeah, this one as well dropped big time. You see, IPO is really dangerous, guys. It's not all the stocks hold the IPO price. Anyway, guys, let us bring our disclaimer. We have less than 4 minutes at the market open. Disclaimer, everybody, for today. Let's see. 3 minutes left. Remember, guys, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, remember, we always go live around 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. Hit the like button and the way in, everybody. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. The market is open. CDT is still holding, guys. Bong is still holding sideways. I'm watching closely the market, guys, because we might have the green day that we waiting for. Palantir is still below the resistance. The SPY is sideways. Guys, today is the day. Today it is the day. Hit the like button on the way and don't forget, guys. Hit the like button on the way in. Let's get right to it. Okay, so this buy is still holding. We have a bit of green for AMD, guys, jumping first. NVIDIA semiconductors leading the way for today. Palantir is still below the resistance. I'm still waiting for Bone to give us a jump. We might get halted, guys, for this one if we broke this level around the 11 cents. CDT pulling back a bit. STSS is testing the resistance at the moment. We don't have a breakout yet. We're still inside this bearish channel. We need to break this area, guys, around the 30, 0.30 to squeeze. Boom, pulling back. This one pulling back. GameStop, nothing. So we have a bit of hesitation, guys, for the market. Wells Fargo going down fast, is going up. We got a bit of hesitation for the markets. Yes, hesitation. See with me, guys. Palantir's going down a bit. The SPY is going back a bit. So we have a bit of hesitation. A little bit of hesitation. So be careful, guys. Hesitation is on the way. Okay, the SPY is still holding. We don't have a huge flush. So yes, we still don't have any decision yet. Boom, we have a big buyer, guys. Yeah, we have a big buyer around the 9 cent. CDT the same. STSS, no good at the moment. GameStop still sideways. Let's see the other stock that I put it on the list here. JNVR jumping. This one it is too volatile, light on volume. So I'm gonna keep it. We got MSPR still okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep those. STSS, yeah, not that good. Yeah, Bone, guys, let us keep Bone on the main list here. Okay, we still don't have a decision. Let me just put this buy here to gag the reaction of the markets. Okay, still, guys, look at that. The SPY is still not flushing down, not jumping up. It's just consolidating here. So this show us that we have indecision a bit in the markets. This is could change at any minute because Coinbase jumping right now. AMD, we have a little jump, but this is not a confirmation yet for the market to reverse. So I'm watching Palantir on the SPY to confirm that. We have a little if green. CDT is moving. Bone is moving. MSBR pull back. STSS is still holding. So yeah, we don't have any stock jumping from a resistance. Maybe Bone will do that right now. If we broke the 11. Let's see if we got stock that got halted for today. We got SPLP. Aha, we got Mullen got halted, guys. Whoa, Mullen is coming back. AEHL, one of the top stock that we traded this week. We got CERT, new one, and SPLP. I think this one is dead technically. I will double check. Ah, come on. Okay, so Mullen, AEHL. Mullen got shorted, guys. We got news of split, reverse split, 1 to 100. Game over for Mullen, guys. Really game over. What else we got here? AEHL, no good. SERT, no good. This one is dead. So Boom is about to break the level, guys, for now. Watch out, we might have a breakout for Boom and CDT as well. And STSS. Wow, this one could be really good right now, guys. STSS is about to break the level with Boom. Yeah, Boom is doing all right now. Wait a second, the market, it is turning around, guys. The market is turning around. We might have our day. The market is turning around. Yeah, the market is turning around. For now, it's still, we don't have a confirmation yet. AMD did really huge right now. What's going on with AMD? I think we got some news here. Yeah, the only one that moved right now is AMD, guys. Jumping 5%, Coinbase 4%. Palantir, it might move as well right now. Yeah, Palantir is still on the small side of jump. Yeah, AMD and Coinbase doing all right. Palantir is still below the resistance. I'm still waiting for a breakout here. Let us go back to the main event for today is Bone. Guys, Bone, we have a breakout finally. CDT, nothing much. STSS, nothing much. Yeah, Bone, guys, broke out. Make sure to take profit right now for Bone, guys. Bone, it is the one. Bone just squeezed, guys. Nice, around the 12. This one we have a limit to buy just 300 euros, almost 300 euros. If you're wondering why we have just 200 euros here, because this penny stock is have limited or limitation to buy more than that, because it's a penny stock. In Europe, we have a limitation to buy those volatile stocks to protect us. We like babies. We can't have the possibility to trade whatever we want because we are babies. Okay, so be careful, guys. Bone is almost hitting a major resistance around the 1360. CDT is still around the 144, but still looking good. STSS is the same. The SPY still below the resistance. So AREB is moving as well. Could be good AREB, guys, for later hunts. For now, the top gainer here, it is AMD. AMD doing pretty good, guys, 5%. We might have the same reaction for Palantir. If only Palantir did good and hold over the 86.86. Yeah, 86.86 should be a support right now. If we held, Palantir could be a good candidate to squeeze today. Yeah, Palantir could be a really good candidate for today. Be careful, guys. The market could be a huge for today. We have a bit of green coming up. Palantir want to test this resistance for a breakout. If we did, we're gonna have a huge green day. Current support for Palantir is over the 86.80. If we held here, we're gonna have a huge green day. Bone is still below the resistance. CDT is still below the resistance. STSS want to break right now. Be careful. 114%. Yes, Bone did really great. AEHL. AEHL. I already checked it, John. It is light on volume, even though it's got halted right now. I don't like the technical that much. Just 37. It could pull back at any second around the $4.44. So if you want to trade it on your own risk, brother, because it's really light on volume. And if it pull back, it's gonna pull back really quick. The current resistance is around the $4.44. The main ones, the main event is those three. AREB is started to move again. Yeah, this one is a roller coaster ride as well. Yeah, we suspect that the market should be green today, guys. We should be in a huge green if we broke here, 531. If we did, we're gonna have a huge green day. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. The SPY is moving. Palantir is moving. The market is fighting, guys. This is the last fight. The last fight for today to have a huge green day. Yeah, the SPY is about to break the resistance here. So far, so good. Bone, as we discussed, guys, there's a big seller here. That's why you pull him back. CDT is about to break out. STSS still no breakout. And the SPY is moving, guys. Look at that. The SPY is moving drastically. Some of you said GameStop. Yeah, GameStop is moving, guys. I'm gonna put it on the main list as well. AREB, MSBR, those are the main ones, guys. The main stocks, we're gonna put them on the list. The rest, nope. So yeah, GameStop looking great here, guys. Still holding the trend. To want to break the 2686. Bong is pulling back a lot right now. Okay. Netflix jumped, RH, Nvidia. Yeah, we're gonna take a bit of time here. MLGO, high risk, high reward entry right now and make it. MLGO is tricky a bit, brother. It's not on our main list. Be careful. I didn't put it on my main list for a reason. Because it's light on volume. Yeah, it is near the support over the $15, but again, it's not my cup of tea for now. That's why I didn't put it on the main list. MMA. Are you talking about MMA, UFC, or mixed martial arts? With Trump to the moon. Let's see, MMA. Oh, it is a stock. Mixed martial arts. Holy moly, I didn't know that mixed martial arts have a stock. I didn't know that. Jumped 200%. What's going on with MMA? Mixed martial arts. Point Richard Baloney, Eric Ba, and Angel. FAU, Jonathan Hart. What the hell is going on here? 2 million non-dilutive financing. So we have a mixed martial arts secured 2 million non-dilutive financing. Wow, so we got a nice jump for it. The IPO was just last year, March, like 1 year ago. The price was around the $5. Now jumping from the 50 cent until the 280. Huge jump, guys, for MMA. We need a KO for the short sellers. MMA fighting. Literally, guys, fighting for the short seller around the 280. MMA, it's too dangerous, guys, to trade this one. Now we got STSS. It should be number one because Bone just got shorted just below the resistance now. And CDT could be number two right now because both CDT and STSS didn't break out yet. Yeah, the market is still sideways here. Um, RX. RX looking great. Yeah, RX looking interesting, guys, here. I will keep it on the list. It bounced from the 5, now it's going toward the 6. Next level. Thank you for bringing RX to our attention. Not bad. Look, not bad for a swing. Yeah, we have a bit of weak market. For the SPY is doing all right. We don't have a major pullback for the SPY. So we need a bit of time for a correction. We might have the correction later on today. Fast, still fast going up. Nice, fast doing all right, guys. We already discussed fast yesterday. We did the even short update for it. I think we did it yesterday for our hunters. Yeah, we did it for our elite members. We discussed fast. We said the resistance 79, profit taken around the 84. We did the swing trade yesterday to our elite members, and now it is 5% for fast. It's going, guys. It's going. Profit taken should be around the 82 now. 82 should be a good profit taken for fast. Current support is the 73.30 right now for fast. Have earnings, guys. Today pre-market. Earning not bad for fast, guys. Fast looking fast, going up fast. Even though with light volume is going up. Not bad here. Yeah, Palantir is still holding, Netflix still holding, SMCI. So the market is fighting sideways. We don't have a green and we don't have a lot of red. The same for the unicorn. We have a neutral market so far. STSS is still holding here. Not bad for STSS. CDT is pulling back. Pong pulling back. GameStop. MSBR, I'm going to take it from the list. RX jumping nicely. It's about to hit the resistance now around the $6. The SPY is just below the 531, guys. This is a turning point for the whole market. What else we got here? Yeah, those the top stocks for today, guys. Especially STSS and CDT, guys, need a bit of time, especially STSS, to break this trend. PRTG, Muhammad. I'm gonna be brutally honest with you, brother. If it's not good, I'm gonna tell you. Jumping 50%, but I don't like this cocaine jump. This one is like on cocaine, man. Is not realistic jump. Jumping on light volume. So I don't trust those kind of jumps, brother. First, because we have a huge slippage, and second, because it could pull back at any minute. So be careful. Maybe I will check it later. If that's changed, if the volume picking up, maybe will be good. But thank you for bringing this to us, brother. Let us see if we got something got halted now. MMA got halted, guys. THTX, Bull, Weeble, new IBO is there. Weeble, guys, holy moly. Now is around the $13, is halted. Let's check Weeble. Whoa. We went around the $16, right now $13. Look at that. This is how risky IPO could be, guys. Now is unhalted. Weeble or Bull is unhalted. Holy moly, is going up, is going down $12. What you think? This one is gonna go toward the $1, guys? This is crazy. From 16 to $6 would be crazy. $12. So I got halted around the 13, now 12. No, 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 no. This one is crazy, man. Look at that. Market open started around the 16. Now get it might get halted right now around the 11. I will not touch it. No, 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 no. Juicy. We got Juicy. We got Wave. We got MMA. I will check it again. THTX. Let's check those stocks. Might one of them give us some gains? ATH. Oh man, this one they hold it up. MMA got shorted right around our resistance. The 288 got halted down right now. So I'm gonna keep it. Look interesting now. Wave, no good. Juicy, no good. STSS is still okay. Bone, RX, testing our resistance. The SPY is pulling back a bit. SMCI, Netflix, we have a little pullback for the market. A little bit of pullback. Interesting. Let's see again if we got something going on here. Top gainers, MSPR, PRTG. Nope. This is really interesting. The market is turning around down right now. Yeah, we don't have a decision yet, guys, for the market, so it's a bit dangerous. MMA still halted, CDT, Bong, GameStop. Interesting thing going on in the market. Okay, Palantir is going down a lot. Yeah, it's going a lot down. Be careful, guys. The market is pulling the rug. Pulling the rug. We don't have a breakout here. We didn't. So now we might have a dive. The SPY is diving down a bit as well. Okay. WCT. Yeah. Slight on volume, man. We can't trade this one. It's not tradable. MMA unhalted right now, guys. MMA is unhalted at the moment. It need to hold over the 195 to squeeze up. STSS, unfortunately, no good now. PRTG, hold it up. MSR, this one is still going down. Yeah, so for today, guys, we don't have a good unicorn to trade. Just from the technical, the market is a bit weaker for today at the market open. Yeah, we don't have a decision even for the SPY. Still, we don't break. This is by far the weakest start for the market. The first 30 minutes, usually we have some action. Today, we don't have any action for the market. And I think because of this huge jump, guys, for the market, it's kind of high sugar rush. After that, we have a huge like losing of the sugar, and then now stabilize. It's the same with when you eat low quality sugar, the blood glucose in your blood will spike. In few minutes will go down and you feel tired, and after that will be neutral, but you're not active that much because you feel that you lost energy and you don't have energy like before. This is what happened to the market, guys. It was full of sugar. We need fibers, not sugar. Slow dissolving sugar, which is fiber, to dissolve slowly in the blood. The market was in a big rush of sugar. And I think it's not even sugar, it's cocaine. SMCI, nothing much, brother. Is still sideways trading. We are between a resistance and the support. And technically, in the big picture, we're still on this big trending bearish side. And now we reverse, but we're not reverse yet because we are below the 3780. So we need a bit of time to consolidate here. What a day we got, man. What a day. I think this is the first time that we've got this kind of reaction of the market. First, we got the news of the tariff, which never happened before. imposing huge tariff of 50%, not on one country, but the whole world, then saying, sorry, is not real. We, we, this is a joke, and there is no tariff anymore. Price jumped. Then we have a tweet, or not tweet, but Donald Trump just said on Truth Media that everybody should buy the best dip right now, which never happened before in any president. I don't know if you remember any president in the United States who said that to his followers or to his countries, to everybody to buy. Come on, this is, some people said this is manipulation. If you say buy right now, it's and the stock go up then go down. What do you think about this, guys? This is crazy. A lot of, I saw like Supreme Court or something like this. Someone said is asking about what's happened with this, and some of, they call it manipulation. So some billionaires make billions on this jump. That's why we saw the price jump down, because they took their profit here, guys. The billionaires took their profit here. So if we don't go today around the 550, this is will confirm that the market's been manipulated. This is will confirm everything. If the SPY didn't go again toward the 550, the market is manipulated technically. Yeah, around the 547, yeah. If we don't go there again and we flush down, yes, we say the market's been officially manipulated. He tries. Oh, brother, man, this is crazy. Like once he did that, I thought like he do it just a bluff, just a bluff to China and the rest of the world, imposing this kind of crazy tariff. But now I see it as kind of not a bluff, but to make billions. This would be crazy, guys, if you think this was planned. Yeah. Now a lot of traders will never trust the market anymore. No trust in the market anymore right now. That's why, guys, we see that the market, even with the jump before, we don't have any jump right now. And the market is kind of consolidating up and down. We didn't have a like full green or full red, man. Especially for SMCI, Palantir, Tesla's, the SPY. For AMD, because we have some news, that's why is the top gainer right now, 5%. But yeah, the whole market is still not confident for today. There's no confidence. The market's up and down, up and down. So STSS pulling back, MMA pulling back. It's just testing the support here. This buy pulling back. Yeah, it's not active market for today. President pump and dump. To be honest, guys, we never have any president in the United States who said that. Like, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT right now if it's that possible. Is there any US president who pump and dump uh, uh, market before Trump. Let's see. Great question. The idea of US president engaging in pump and dump behavior artificially inflated the price as a sole profit is usually more associated with shady traders than a head of state. But the term of president, yeah, for political gain, personal advantage, history has few interesting examples. Richard Nixon, 1972 election economy. We have Ronald Reagan. We got George W. Bush. We have Trump. Oh, interesting. So it is not the first time, guys. So Richard Nixon, 1972, what happened? So Richard pressured the Federal Reserve to keep interest rate low ahead of the 1970 election to create a booming economy. The effect market and economy looked good short term, but this move could, yeah, eventually inflated the crisis of 1970. So he didn't pump and dump technically, but kind of manipulated the market. The second president is Ronald Reagan, and what happened? Tax cuts, increased military spending, and yeah, again, not the classical pump and dump. So it's like Ronald Reagan and Richard Nixon is not like Trump. George W. Bush, the same, is not really pump and dump. So after the market crash 2008, Bush team announced major bailout. Yeah, this one kind of boosted the market and the market confidence, but it's not like Donald Trump. Trump is unique in how directly and frequently he uses Twitter to pump markets. So teasing China trade deals, hinting at the Fed rate cuts, celebrating stock market records. He did this in real time, often causing intraday swings. Sometimes no previous president ever did so openly. So there's no US president did that except Trump, guys. So no US president before Trump engaged in literal pump and dump in traditional trading scam sense. However, many have used policy and this. So yeah, the only one, man. Trump is the only one who have the explosion and squeeze mindset. There's a first time for everything. I think there's a first time for everything. MMA is too much volatile, guys. Now it's pulling back too much. STSS, I think, is not good for now. CDT, the same. Bone is pulling back. GameStop pulling back. The SPY is still undecided here. Yeah, the market is undecided, guys. There's no jump, there's no pump. So we have to wrap up our live streaming right now, guys. The market is on decision phase at the moment. So don't forget, guys, we're gonna do a major update on our Discord to trade for the market and update you for the levels on our Discord and Bitcoin. The link in comment section below, guys. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Have a blessed weekend and see you back all on the next Monday to hunt for the market together. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit the like button on the way out. Share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. And God bless all who actually support our channel in any shape or form by liking, by commenting, by being a member. So thank you, guys. And of course, see you back on the next week. Thank you for watching, everybody.